Breaking news from Regensburg. The BMW Group plant is on the fast track to electrification, and the production lines are buzzing with activity. Let's dive into the details. Just a few weeks after the world got its first glimpse of the all-new BMW X2, it's now hitting the roads from the BMW Group plant in Regensburg. This facility is a hive of activity, where various drivetrain options, from internal combustion engines to plug-in hybrids and fully electric vehicles, are being flexibly manufactured on a single production line. Each workday, up to 1,000 BMW 1 Series, BMW X1, and BMW X2 models are rolling off the assembly line, bound for customers worldwide. The plant director, Armin Ebner, shared his excitement about this milestone. He said, "With the production of the BMW X2 and its fully electric variant, the BMW X2, we're leading the charge in the electrification journey right here in Regensburg. This new fully electric model adds to the production volume, and the team couldn't be prouder of their achievements." Ebner described this day as a day of encouragement for the entire team, emphasizing the dedication and hard work that made it all possible. The production engine in Regensburg is running at full throttle. With the increased production volumes, they're now introducing a night shift at the plant. This, in addition to 3-shift operation, will ensure they meet the growing demand. By year-end, the BMW Group will invest over €350 million in vehicle production in Regensburg, creating approximately 500 permanent job opportunities at the site. But there's more to this story. The BMW Group is not just about increasing production, it's also about advancing automotive production methods. With the BMW iFactory initiative, the Regensburg plant is making strides in digitalization and automation. It's the first automotive plant globally to employ a fully digitalized and automated process for inspecting, processing, and marking painted vehicle surfaces using AI-controlled robots. This represents a significant step toward creating a digital and intelligently connected factory. As the BMW Group plant in Regensburg continues to push the boundaries of automotive production, we'll keep you updated on their journey towards electrification, innovation, and a sustainable future. Stay tuned for more exciting developments.